you know what's up. We about to get started today.
Some gas into it. A little cold start before the intake. All this out of here. And 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Ochoa back with another video. Yeah, if you haven't peeped already, we got the AEM Air intake. I got the tool set up. We about to take it out. We got my boy over here. He's about to record for me, get some nice shots of me just working, taking it out. And hopefully we'll be done in the next hour or so. But for you guys, it's going to be like 10 minutes. So, yeah, it's real hot. Yeah, it's like a heat wave right now here in Boston. It's serious. But, yeah, let's get started. First thing is you got to put these fucking clips. I gotta do it. I don't even have a clip, so I have to use a flat.
Don't lose them. You should get a little baggie and throw them into the box. Yeah, use that baggie.
Drove here, cast back, now knock that pussy out. Yeah, that's just a little cat nap. Hold up. Don't be smoking my shit. I be smoking that fire. She be smoking my dick. Be smoking my dick, boy, little bitch. Whoa, okay, more drink, hold it up, more weed, fill it up. Whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down. Pimps up, hoes down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I do it.
I mean, I don't know.
We're just fighting with a screw for the MAF
But I do
sensor, but I'm not trying to strip that bolt. You feel me? You see?
It is gonna end up in a strip.
It just doesn't want to go. We thought it needed some manpower, but nah.
The thing is, I don't want to keep doing that because it's gonna strip.
Oh fuck, I forgot I have the open shit right here. I was about to throw my phone. Fuck! Dropped it? Yeah, and it fell between the fucking radiator. Bro, my hand don't fit where it fell.
And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm real nigga at the front. Cause when you got it all, everybody wants something. Middle finger in the air, no fist pump. And me shining.
We also started working.
Hey, don't drop your phone in between the radiator. We're gonna go through this shit.
Yeah, this a genius, straight from the country, right there with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26s on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got weed, but I been dope. Ratchet, nigga, we act good, but I'm getting money with these white folks. Sipping and I'm faded, super medicated. Said she wanna check the bowl, I said, okay, Sarah Palin. Yeah. So I lay down and lay in, a nigga gon' be fake.
The whole time.
How long was that?
8 minutes.
Okay, more drink, hold it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down, cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose.
Replacing the sensor, regardless of going here, because I gotta screw it down.
Working all night, swear I'm never going bro. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah. Oh God. Okay, wow, look at me now. Cheek like an Indian, talking in clouds. I'm high as a bitch, I'm talking in clouds. I'm tree every night like I run with the eyes. I super soak that hoe, show them the love, just throw them a towel. Still rocking Louboutin condoms, cause I'm so fucking in style. Wow, new crib, trash that. Drove here, cash back, now knock that pussy out. Yeah, that's just a little cat nap. Hold up, don't be smoking my shit. talking shit just cause I'm yeah.
Smoking, choking, always rolling something. I don't need a key to start my car, bitch. I just push a button, did a show and got $500,000. Spent it like it's nothing, money flowing. Never sober, smoking till I got concussions, no discussions. Man, I got a condo and got a big crib. Down below where my kitchen is. If I ain't on the road getting it, then I'm in the hood where my niggas live. Did a tour, sold it out, just bought a pound, about to finish it. Now all my pasta guys living in. You talk about it, I'm living it. I'm living it, you fucking little bitch.
Okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, more there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down, pimps up, hoes down, ass up, nose down, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose, working all night, where I'm never going broke. And I'ma do this till I die, and I ain't talking shit just cause I'm real nigga never front, cause when you got it all, everybody wants something. Middle finger in the air, no fist pump. And me, Sean and Wiz got this bitch jumping. Finally got this bitch jumping. Got this bitch jumping. Fly. That's me. Yeah, this a genius. Straight from the country, right there with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26s on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got me.
All that space, man. You took it out and just put it through. You can put a turbo back there.
Here, it goes right here.
Down, whoa, shit. Okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down, cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose, working all night, swear I'm never going broke. And I'ma do this till I die, and I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah. Oh God. Okay, wow, look at me now. Cheap like an Indian, talking in clouds. I'm high as a bitch, I'm talking in clouds. I'm tree every night like I run with the eyes. I super soak that hoe, show 'em no love, just throw 'em a towel. Still rocking Louboutin condoms, cause I'm so fucking in style. Wow, new crib, trash that. Drove here, cash back, now I knock that pussy out. Yeah, that's just a little cat nap. Hold up, whoa. Don't be smoking my shit, I be smoking that fire. She be smoking my dick, be smoking my dick, little bitch. Okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down, pimps up, hoes down, ass up, nose down, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose, working all night, where I'm never going broke. And I'ma do this till I die, and I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah.
Smoking, choking, always rolling something. I don't need a key to start my car, bitch. I just push a button, did a show and got $500,000. Spent it like.
Hey, but we almost there. It looks nice in here. Use your muscle power. Nah, if you're gonna do that, try to bend this so it's going down. Or do you want me to do it?
Down like this.
You're gonna be pushing this down, but try to push it from here too. Yeah. Because you want to make sure this is like level 2, like these two. Oh, hold that real quick.
Yeah, I gotta make sure it's even here. Like
so this is flat, like horizontal. Yeah, but you good.
Gotta make sure this is flat. You know?
Boom. What you looking for?
Flat.
I don't know.
Oh my God, that's the bitch that fell in here.
Is that one? Yeah. So part 2, because now it's a screwdriver. Oh, let me. Try that again. That sounds good.
Oh shit, that bitch got a kick. I don't feel any extra power yet though.
Set this. That sounds good.
Bitch, yeah.
So today I'm recording this.
You got 2 shots of ripping one. You know a highway, I just don't know how to explain it to you.
It's not even in manual. I haven't put the CVT yet. I want to try it. I'm gonna try it when I get to this light. CVT this bitch. Yeah, we might have to get a charge keeper.
Go.
Approaching the railroad crossing.
Sounds good. Fucking with this heavy.
I don't know if I got actual performance like boost out of it. There's no way to find out because my peak horsepower is all the way at 5,000 RPM. And that's more than halfway the fucking rev limiter. I basically have to floor it.
You might get the chance to. On this highway. Should be clean. Make sure there's no cops and stuff. You're trying to get it, but it's pretty cool. It sounds good.
Fuck this right.
Yup.
That feels quicker now.
Watch out with the little curve. You're gonna love driving this.
It's just loud as hell now. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm finally in a change of clothes because I got to shower and I just got out of work recently. So yeah, but intake sounds great, looks great under the engine, and I'm more than happy that I got this shit done today and that it's finally done. So remember, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers so we can keep modding the Civic. But I've been loving the gradual support that you guys have been giving me. We're almost at 200 subs, so let's keep it going. And with that being said, thank you for watching, and Ochoa out.